Hello everybody. In this video I am going to be teaching you how to start a chain for your crochet project. I'll be teaching you how to make a loop to add it to your hook and how to chain. All your crochet projects will require you to make a chain. So this is how we do it. I'm using a size H hook just for this tutorial and some worsted medium weight yarn. This is only for this tutorial though. This is no particular pattern that I'm making or anything. It's just for this tutorial. And I'm using the color purple because you guys can see it pretty good. So what you want to do is you take your yarn, you wrap it around your finger just like that. Wrap it around your finger. Make sure you have a little space right there, about like that. You take your yarn, go over and go over like that, and pull that top one up. Alright, I'll do it again. Take your yarn, wrap it around your finger. Take your overhead one here, run it over, and run it over until you have that. And then you will have a loop to put on your hook. I'll do it one more time. You take your yarn, however length desired. Generally try to make enough that you can weave in later or use as part of the project, however you want to do it. But you wrap it around your finger, take the top one, take it over that bottom one, and then take that top one again and run it under the bottom one, and then pull your bottom. And now you have a loop to put on your hook. You put your loop on your hook, you pull your yarn tight, and this is how it looks once you get it on your hook. I am right-handed, so I'll be working with my right hand. Alright, now to start a chain, just for demonstrations only, I'm going to say that this tutorial requires 10 chains. So what you want to do is get comfortable with your yarn on how you want to hold it. Some people take their yarn and wrap it around their pinky like this. I'll show you again. Wrap it around, bring it around up to here, and hold it like that. I just hold it around my finger where it's like this. That's how I work it. You have to get comfortable with how you hold your yarn. At some point you will need to be comfortable with your yarn. But I take it and then you grab it and you pull it in. You grab it, number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now I have 10 chains on my hook. That is how you do chain. I will do it again. I will demonstrate again on how we do it. Okay, you take it, put your yarn in your hand, wrap it around your finger, pull it over and pull it over and tighten. Take your hook, put it in there, and tighten. Now you don't want to make it so tight that you can't work your yarn. You want it just enough, just enough to bring it through there. So don't pull on your yarn real tight, and then just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we got 10 chains on the hook again. I'm going to go a little longer. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. And this is a chain of 20. Now let me tell you, the only way you're going to ever get good at this is if you get comfortable with your yarn and how you hold your yarn. You got to get comfortable with your yarn and how you hold your hook. A lot of people hold it like this. A lot of people hold it like that. It just depends on, for me, on how fast I'm wanting to work my yarn. I can hold it like this or I can hold it like that. It doesn't matter to me. But for you to get good at this at all, you're going to have to learn how to hold your yarn and your hook comfortably. And then you'll be doing good. That is a tutorial today on how to make your ring to add onto your hook and to do your chains to make your project, because you will always have chains to make a project. Sometimes you'll be making chains in the round. Sometimes you'll just be making straight chains. It just depends on your project. Alright. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it.